step into the 2017 Ford Super Duty F-350 XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features included adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, traction control and trip computer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.